Hey my cookies! Today I'll be showing you how to make a restaurant quality shrimp lo mein dinner for your family that's gonna blow their minds. For real. You ready for this? I hope so. Let's cook. Okay, to start, it is imperative to get all of your prep work done. So chop all of your veggies. Here I have some sweet onion, and for aromatics, I have minced garlic and some ginger. Your kitchen is going to smell amazing, okay? I also have some carrots. I have some red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and some bok choy. It's not baby bok choy. These are full grown. It's all good though. And some green onion. Yeah, we are live and in color. I love the colors in this dish. More ingredients. These are the lo mein noodles I'll be using. You can find these online or in an Asian market. If you can't find these, it's okay. You can use linguine or spaghetti, but I highly recommend that you try to find these guys. It makes a huge difference. And you just prepare them according to package instructions, then set it aside. I'm using shrimp in this recipe, but you can use chicken, steak, pork, a combination, whatever you like, okay? Do your thing. And now on to the sauce. We got to make this sauce. So starting with some water, I'm going to add some chicken bouillon powder to that. Or you can just use chicken stock, chicken broth, whatever. Here I'm adding in soy sauce. Got to have that. And some oyster sauce, some hoisin sauce, a lot of sauce, y'all, and some mirin. If you can't find mirin, just use some cooking white wine. Here I have a little bit of sugar. We need that, not even a full teaspoon. And some cornstarch. When that heats up, it's going to thicken that sauce and let it stick to the noodles. Now whisk it all together really well and set that aside. Let's head to the stove. In my wok, or you can use a pan, I'm going to heat up some vegetable oil. Once that oil gets good and hot, I'm going to start adding in my veggies, starting with that ginger. And then I'm going to add in the carrots, the bell pepper, and yeah, just the carrots and the bell pepper right now because that takes a little bit longer to soften. So we like to put that in first. And after about 3 to 4 minutes of stir frying, we can add in our garlic and our sweet onion and go ahead and stir fry that around for an additional 2 minutes. After that, we can now add in our bok choy. This doesn't take long to wilt down, so about a minute or so of sauteing, it'll be good and ready to go. Now, I'm going to add in the shrimp. Get in there, shrimp. Okay, and to that, I'm going to add half of our brown sauce. Reserve the rest of it, but right now, just half. And I like to add a little bit of onion and garlic powder to the shrimp as well. No salt. The brown sauce has all the sodium you need. Go ahead and stir those around. When they're halfway done, we can add in those cooked lo mein noodles and then the remaining sauce. Just pour it on top, and we're going to stir fry it around until our noodles warm up, until that shrimp is completely cooked and that sauce sticks to the noodles. And then guys, ciao. We done. Just go ahead and turn the heat off, garnish it with a little green onion, and you will have the best shrimp lo mein you ever did eat. Check out the description box for the recipe link. Thank you guys so much for watching. I gotta eat this shrimp. Until next time, be blessed.